All right, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, September 8th. All right, get a little bit of feedback there. All right, so let's take a look. We had the jobless claims come out. It was down a little bit from previous, but still looks like we're going to get a much lower opening on the Dow this morning. We got all the indices down. We do have this Fed speaking here in about 8 minutes, so we could get some more jitters in the market. So anyway, I don't have any initial trades going on right now. Possible short on gold, though. I do have a gold short. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at this gold short. All right, it's already come in short. It triggered a short 1728. It's going to put me down to 24. 1724 is going to be a target. Still a little bit there. Try to get a little bit out of it. 1724. Reversal 1736. Hey, it's moving pretty quick. We may just get triggered on we may just go ahead and hit our target here. All right, so this morning, continued to watch the mini Russell RTY, the E-mini S&P, which is the SGC, obviously for gold. Looks like gold just hit its target. So we'll go ahead and let that short gold. We'll be watching crude oil, CL, and then on our stocks, FIVE, BURL, TSCL, and HD. And then on the currencies, we're going to be watching the Euro US and the US Yen pairs. We could see quite a bit of action here going into the opening. So let's see what's going on. I don't have anything on the stocks. Don't have anything either on the currencies. So only thing I had coming in short on that gold, that already hit target. And we're just going to stay here. We're going to stay flat. For overnight trades, only had one, which is the euro pound. The euro pound, we're coming in on a long position. That's a trade we put on the prior night. We go ahead and we hold it through the end of the following day. And those are nice little trades, just kind of set and forget. Using the same patterns that I use on my other time frames, whether I'm trading 5 minutes or I'm trading off of the hourlies. Using the exact same patterns here with these overnight trades. Patterns are the same. All right. Thursdays, yes. Thursdays are my favorite day. Well, Sundays and Thursdays. I do love Thursdays, though. Two favorite days, Sundays and Thursdays. Always a lot of really good action, a lot of good setups. Love the volatility. All right, so the Fed's going to speak here in about 3 minutes. We'll see if that puts some volatility in this market. All right, pretty quiet. We're going to have this speech coming up here in about 20 seconds. Okay, once again, I'm expecting pretty strong lower opening this morning. Not having any new setup, so we're just going to sit tight here and wait till something develops. Big part of trading is being patient. You don't want to force it. You don't want to force trades. You don't want to start looking for a trade just because if you haven't had one in a while. The key is that you want to wait until those ideal setups set up. Then you jump in and take them, and you really don't need many trades to do well during the day. You know, this is quality over quantity. All you need is maybe 3-4 good trades a day, and you're done. That's typically all you need to hit your daily objective. Everybody's objective is going to be a little bit differently depending on your skill level and, of course, your account size. But I always suggest you come in with some sort of objective and work on hitting that every day. And then once you can do that, then you can slowly start ramping yourself up and taking on more contracts, bigger objectives. Currency is looking really strong this morning. There's the US yen. Yen's looking really strong this morning. And they're hitting that Euro US, hitting the Aussie. Dollar strong this morning. Weaker on the pound US. Yeah, Glenn, you're right. The market is so much news driven. I mean, on short term, definitely has an effect on the short term. I think overall, the overall trends typically hold up, but definitely it does put volatility in the market. And being short-term traders, we like that. We like that kind of information. We like that volatility. Wow, ES continuing to come down. The S&P, the E-mini S&P, Russell continues to come down. Gold still weak. Yeah, can you believe it? Yeah, the yen was at 110 just a few years ago. 110. Now we're at 144. Yeah, I think it is time for a vacation. I do have a friend, he's a doctor, and he's been talking about actually going over there. He loves it in Japan. He said he's gonna, I think he's getting ready to go take a couple weeks off and go over there for a while. I've never been. I don't know if you've ever been. I've never been. But he says he really likes it over there. All right, well, still pretty quiet. So next week we're going to change things up a little bit. Instead of watching crude, we're going to start watching natural gas. Maybe we'll start watching Bitcoin next week. On the indices, continue to watch R2Y, which is going to be your mini Russell, but we may throw in the mini NASDAQ or the mini Dow, one or the other. We'll see. So I try to give you all a good variety of different markets to show you that we can trade these markets using the same patterns. The way we trade them can be a little bit different in the way that we enter and exit, but overall the entries are the same. Yeah, I don't know about. So you think? Yeah, you've been to. So Glenn, you've been to Japan. Oh no, you've been to Thailand. You've been to Thailand. Yeah, I wouldn't mind visiting Thailand. I don't think it's the best time to go right now, but I wouldn't mind going to Thailand. That was the other one he said he really liked. And I don't know about South Korea. I've never really had an interest to want to go to South Korea. All right, we're just hanging tight here, waiting for something to develop. All right, just about 5 minutes before the opening bell. Once again, do expect a lower opening on the Dow. Yeah, it really does. Anything can happen in pre-market. I know some people that like to trade pre-market. That's a tough one. It really can be a two-edged sword on that. All right, we're starting to move here. Looks like the yen's going to play down a little bit lower here. Didn't get a whole lot of setups last night for overnight trades. Just one, the euro pound coming in long. Yesterday we came in long on a couple. Let's see what we have. It's pretty quiet right now, so I'm just going to take a look. Actually, we came in long on the euro yen yesterday and short crude. Those both went green, and now we're coming in long euro pound, just one today. Those are basically kind of a set and forget type trade. You put them on the night before and you just let them go, and you get out the following day. At the end of the day, all right, a little bit more than a minute to go here before the opening bell. Obviously expecting a much lower opening here on the Dow. But you know, we ran a scan last night, and we had quite a few of our stocks showing to be an update today, so we'll see how that works out. But we had several dozen stocks shown to be an update today based on some of our patterns, so we'll see if that holds true on those stocks. But right now, it looks like we're going to get a lower opening. All right, about 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. All right, we're down 159, 160. I really thought it was going to open up lower than that. 193. All right, let's see if we get any kind of bounce here. We may trigger a buy here, so we're going to watch for a buy. Still not getting any buys yet on any of these stocks. Watching FIVE, BURL, TSCO, and HD. Possible buy coming up in the Euro US. Going to watch for that if we hold. If we can hold up here and not pull back too far, we will set us up for a buy. Down 224. All right, down 242. Getting a buy on the Euro US. Let's see where our buy is coming in at. It's coming in at 55, 99.55 on that Euro US. $99.55. Always looks so fresh and ready to go in the morning. Do I have a pre-trade routine that you do? Honestly, no, I do not. I don't have any really pre-trade. Eat a little bit of something, let the dogs out, and I'm ready to go. I'll do some pre-scans on the stocks to see what my most actives are for the day. Watch those. I get an initial feel for which way I think the market's going to go. We'll look at our overnight scan that we did on all the stocks to see kind of an overall feel as well for what I'm going to expect for the day. That's about it. Nothing fancy. Now, if we have any reports that come out before the morning show, I will get up early for those. Because I do like to trade off of those. I like those reports. It does create a lot of volatility, a lot of opportunity. So I do like to trade for get up for those. But besides that, no, nothing really. Get something to drink, and that's about it. Ready to go. All right, still long Euro US. We'll get out of here in about 2 minutes. This particular setup on the Euro US is what we call a behavioral pattern. There's 5 different patterns that we look at. We teach in our silver package. And it is the fundamentals of everything that we do. And this particular pattern was set up for a buy, so we take the buy on the Euro US, and we'll carry it here for about another minute and go ahead and get out of it. Getting a buy coming in on 5, F-I-V-E. Let's take a look at 5. Target on 5 is going to bring us up to 139.55. And we want to get out and or reverse at 138.05. And entry is right here at 138.55, 138.55. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get out of the Euro US. Nice little trade on the Euro US buy. Flat right now, nothing going on. Only thing is looking for FIVE come up to 139.55. Jerry, I know you're not running on 10 miles before you get up in the morning. You run 10 miles? No. I seriously doubt, Jerry, you're doing that. What's the Dow doing? Down 244. Kind of stabilizing down here. 244 down 244. Possible short coming up in the yen. Going to watch for the US yen possible short here in a few minutes. All right. Okay, 5 just hit profit target. I guess you heard that. So 5 hit its target. And it just blasted through that target. All right, so we're out of 5, FIVE. Looks like we got a buy coming up on ES. It's already triggered, so let's see here. It's moving too fast. You're not going to be able to catch it. Already hit target, so we are getting a buy, getting ready to get a buy on RTY, long buy on RTY. RTY is going to be your mini Russell. All right. Target on that mini Russell is going to bring you up to 1829. 1829. That is going to be our profit target. And I will take a reverse down here if it comes down to 1809. This particular pattern is just a regular, what we call pairing pattern, buy on RTY. If we do reverse, it would set us up for an HF1 short, like HF1s. ES hit fast, hit target already, so couldn't catch that in time. Once again, when you're trading Einstein, particularly on the indices, don't trade more than one. They're just, it's almost impossible to keep up with them because they all tend to move at the same time. So anything still, only thing working is still R2Y. Target 1829. Down to 118. Starting to firm a little bit. Profit target hit. All right, still riding long on that mini Russell. Dow's down 113. Getting a short now on the yen. Getting a short on the US yen. Let's see if we can get some levels here. All right, either the 85 or 89, it's your choice. I'm going to go with the 85. Good premium on the 85. Got to take that 85 short. Once again, when you're trading, you can trade on any platform. The platform that I prefer is called Nadex. There are some advantages to trading with Nadex, but you can trade with any platform that you like. Patterns are good across the board. All the setups are based on spot price, so I just use Nadex to execute my trades. Got about a minute to go, and I'll exit this 85 short on the yen. Still hanging on for, let's see here. Waiting for RTY to pull up a little bit higher here. Okay, I'm out of my yen. That actually was a loss on the US yen. So out of the yen, getting out of the yen, still long RTY. Getting another short over here on the US yen. It's going to be a 97 short, 143.97 short.
Profit target hit.
Okay, looks like RTY did hit its target, so we'll get out of RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Re-entered the yen at 143.97 short. Okay, Dow down 100, now down 98. Continuing to hold short on that US yen, 97 short. Gonna exit this trade in less than a minute to go. That is gonna put me flat across the board. And we're coming up to the top of the hour, so first hour of the live broadcast is coming to an end once again. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about my strategies and the two approaches that I use in the morning to trade, go to my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, and or come to my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. You can learn a little bit more about myself. There's some additional information in there, the packages that we offer if you want to learn how to do this yourself. And also, if you have any questions, the best way to get a hold of me is through the website. All right, everybody have a good trading day. We're out of the yen. Nice little win on that yen to end the first hour morning broadcast. Everybody have a good trading day. And for my students, we'll continue to trade on.